Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix unclickable sold out button on Shopify product page. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix this problem here. Well, the thing with Shopify here is if you haven't set up your products properly here, if you try purchasing them, as you can see, the sold button here is unclickable. Even the pay with option here is disabled. Well, you'll have this problem. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and go back to your admin page. You want to go to your products, and you want to go ahead and open up the product that you're having problems with. So in my case, I actually have this product here. Let's go open it up. Now in here, you want to scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option for inventory. Now the thing with this one is you could either track the quantity itself. So if you choose track quantity here, you need to make sure that you have enough, in this case, product on that specific location. Now, for example, I have Manila here as a location. I want to make sure that I have the available here by a lot. So for example, let's go and add a new value. But alternatively, if you don't want to update this every time, you can just choose the continue selling without when out of stock, and you click on save here and reload your page. It will still allow you to sell those products, but again, you need to reload the page here repeatedly in order for it to take effect. Now, if this does not change anything here, what I would like you to do is you want to go and go to track quantity here. Go ahead and disable that. Click on save. Reload this one. But yeah, so as you can see, it is now available. But yeah, if you still want to track this, just make sure that you have enough on hand. So available here, just make sure you have enough value. Now let's go and click on save it again, and you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.